Today we are performing a skit about freedom fighters. India, the Karma Bhumi, world's largest democracy, fight of freedom was a mass movement. More than 100 freedom fighters sacrificed their life to get freedom from the British. Now we are presenting few of freedom fighters who made India free, do or die. The slogan is given by Mahatma Gandhi ji. He is also called as father of the nation, and he returned to India from Africa in 1915, and he traveled various parts of India. He shocked by what he saw, so he launched many movements and refused the proposal of Cripps Commission and started Quit India movement in 1942. By the time he called the slogan Do or Die.
Jaram, Patita Pavana Sitaram. Do or die, do or die.
Give me blood, I will give you freedom. This slogan is given by Subhash Chandra Bose. He raised the first National Army Azad Hind Fauj in 1943 and started an armed coup and inspired thousands of Indian youths to join the struggle for independence from the colonial rule.
Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Give me blood, I will give you freedom.
Swaraj is my birthright and I shall have it. This slogan is given by Lokmanya Tilak in 1916. This slogan given inspiration for future revolutionaries during Indian struggle for freedom.
Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it. Swaraj is my birthright, I shall have it.
Aram haram hai. This slogan is given by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was also called as Chacha Nehru. He worked day and night for the betterment of the nation, and which literally means rest is not best. Haram haram hai. Haram haram hai. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. This slogan is given by Lal Bahadur Shastri. He was second Prime Minister of India. When Lal Bahadur Shastri took the ministership of India after Nehru's death, when India was attacked by Pakistan, at that time there was scarcity of food grains in the country. During that time, he gave the slogan Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.
Satyameva Jayate. This slogan is given by Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya. The slogan was given in his presidential address in the Indian National Congress Convention in 1918. The slogan was taken from his poem in the novel Anandamat in 1882.
Satyameva Jayate, Satyameva Jayate.
Inqilab Zindabad. The famous slogan was given by Maulana Harat Mohari. After bombing the Central Assembly in Delhi, the slogan was shouted by Bhagat Singh. Was one of the revolutionary of the Indian independence movement. Inqilab Zindabad.
Inqilab Zindabad, Inqilab Zindabad.
Hara Hara Mahadev. The slogan is given by Kitturani Channamma. She was the female freedom fighter of India who fought against the British. She led an army against the British East India Company in 1824. At that time, she told the slogan Hara Hara Mahadev. Mahadev. Hara Hara Mahadev. Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai and Arun Asaf Ali are female freedom fighters. Vande Mataram. The slogan is given by Bankim Chandra Chatterjee in 1870. The slogan of Vande Mataram was first adopted during the Swadeshi movement, which is against the partition of Bengal. At that time, he said the slogan Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Vande Mataram. Thank you and have a nice day.